In this video, we'll look at how to process data through InstaLOD Grid using InstaLOD Studio. Please be aware that a grid server and processing worker need to be set up first to successfully process data through InstaLOD Grid. With InstaLOD Studio opened, navigate to the top right-hand side of the main window and click Grid Not Connected. Enter the grid server IP address and port number and your user account details to successfully connect to the server. Load a mesh into InstaLOD Studio and set up a profile. To process files, click Start. Here you have the option to name and prime, auto prime, or prime the task later. The file will then automatically be sent to the grid server, which will find an available worker for further processing. Once the file has been processed, it can then be downloaded. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.